So straight up starting the video with the budget segment, that is the under 5000 price bracket, the one and only Nexdigitron ACE 2 is the most value for money dashcam within this price segment. So in this dashcam you get a built-in GPS, you get a native 2K 1440p resolution, you get a close to 1-inch screen, you get voice control, super capacitor, you get an f1.8 aperture 6 glass lens, an optional parking mode, and even support for 256GB memory cards. So if you don't want to compromise on features and want to keep the budget low, the Nexdigitron ACE 2 is the dashcam which you should be looking for. Moving on to the next option under the 5000 price bracket, the 70mm M200, the only dashcam in the budget segment to get a Starvis 2 sensor, hence providing you some really good low light video quality and number plate readability. Now nothing can match Starvis 2. Most of my users do note this, and having a Starvis 2 dashcam under the budget segment is a really helpful thing. The 70mm M200 gets a 1080p Full HD resolution with HDR. It gets the Starvis 2 IMX662 sensor with an f1.8 aperture. It also gets voice control and optional parking mode, and it supports memory cards up to 128GB. So if night video quality and nighttime number plate readability is your top priority under the budget segment, the 70mm M200 should be the perfect choice. Moving on to the next dashcam under the 5000 segment, you all must be knowing about this, the DDPAI Mini Pro. Once the king of budget dashcams, because this was the most highest selling dashcam under the budget segment at one point of time, the DDPAI Mini Pro still holds good for the price it comes at, giving you a resolution of 1296p along with a 140-degree field of view and an f2.0 aperture. It also gets a super capacitor, a G sensor, and a parking mode, and supports memory cards up to 256GB. So this comes under the 4000 price bracket, so making it accessible for almost anyone who has a very low budget and still wants to get some decent features out of their dashcam. I've tested the Mini Pro extensively, and it's safe to say that this dashcam justifies the price and provides you some of the finest quality that's available in that budget segment. So moving on to the next option under this segment, well, I should say this is one of the cheapest dashcam with some quality features included in it. I'm talking about the Nexdigitron Neo dashcam. Now this comes even cheaper compared to the Mini Pro, and this currently trends at a price of about 2,999, that's about 3,000 rupees only. You get a Full HD 1080p resolution, a 2 megapixel sensor, a 140-degree field of view, a detachable and a 360-degree rotatable mount with a 128GB micro SD card support. So pretty much an ultra low budget dashcam under the price bracket of 3,000 rupees. This must be your only option if your budget cannot extend beyond the 3,000 mark. So this was the list of my favorite cameras to make your choice easy, to make your choice simple. And in spite of this, if you have any concerns, if you have any queries, you can always write that down in the comments and I'll try to clear your query as soon as possible. And of course, if you are interested in purchasing any of these dash cameras, the links to those are given in the description below. Head down, click on the link and purchase it. So I hope this video has helped you out, and in case if it did, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. Also don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to those are given in the description as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.